Hey, um, this is for my friend, Keela, I guess is how you'd say her name. Sorry if I'm pronouncing her name wrong. But this is my Obi-Wan Kenobi lightsaber that I got at Comic Con on Friday. If you twist the top off, get like a disconnect kind of sound. And then you push the blade back in, it reconnects. I'll show the other part of that real quick, actually. It's like short circuiting. Then you got way better sound improvement and light improvement, I think. Nice bright blue color, like always. I'll play some of the swings, and some of the swings actually pitch shift. And some of the classes sound kind of the same, but more subtle, I guess you can say. And then the power down. So that's the entire hilt, main hilt. So Revenge of the Sith episode 3 version. So yeah, that's it. See ya.